Ancient temples, vibrant arts, natural wonders, and a bustling culinary scene make Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, one of the most popular tourist destinations in the southern fringes of the country. Located on the Coromandel Coast, this busy metropolis was formerly called Madras. From the resplendent classical dance form of bharatnatyam to the rich flavors of its iconic cuisine, and from the lustrous silk sarees traded here to the gorgeous temples and churches, Chennai is the gatekeeper of South Indian art, culture, and traditions. The city is also the perfect base from which trips to other locales in Tamil Nadu can take off. Alongside heritage, flourish natural and contemporary highlights, sprawling beaches with natural and man-made wonders, a bustling seaport, quirky cafes, a multi-transport system, theme parks, industrial hubs, high-tech parks, and universities. Its population is a heterogenous mix of locals, expats, and people from the rest of India. Chennai is widely known as the Detroit of India, a moniker it earned because of the high concentration of automobile factories located in and around here.